This is the video to show how we are going to use Google Auth for Google Sheet integration. Just to introduce, we are Goyaa. We are a no-code, low-code application builder where users can build their applications use connecting to various data sources, getting the data, forming workflows, etc., etc. And since we are connecting to various data sources, we identify that our users also want Google Sheet integration, where they can import Google Sheet and build beautiful UI on top of that and do data manipulation in the UI rather than Google Sheet directly. So there's one way to integrate via APIs. What we want is we need direct integration. That's where we need access to the scopes using OAuth. Just to demonstrate how we are going to use it, I'll create a new app, add a new data source, which is Google Sheet here. I ask users to give us access to Google Sheet to read, write, and delete the data. That means the scope of drive.file, Google Sheet scope, and also the metadata to show the file name and different files in the drive. So all these three scopes are essential for this integration. How we want to use it is something which you will see. I go here, the user is able to see what's the developer info, and once the app is published, you will be redirected to, it will be apps.goyaa.ai. At the moment it's test environment. The privacy policy leads to our app.goyaa.ai privacy policy, and the terms of conditions as well are mentioned. Now further, when we authorize the user and I give all the permissions and the permission to manage the metadata of the files in Google Drive, see, edit, and create a delete or specific Google Drive file, and see, edit, create, delete all your Google Sheet spreadsheets. So all the three scopes are important first to understand what all files are available on the drive, their name, etc., etc., to show it to the user which file they want to select, within the file which sheet they want to connect, and with that sheet what operations they want to do, and of course the email as well. So I can click on continue, and over here all my Google Sheets are available. I select one Google Sheet and I successfully get access to it. Next, I generate the page from that Google Sheet. So first I need which Google Sheet, which I want to use, and from that spreadsheet, from which data, so from this data source I want which sheet, which is the available employee list, and from the available employee list which sheet I want to connect to this application. So this is the sheet, and I generate, and this is the application is generated, and I can see the data which is there in this sheet available on my web application. So this is where I would use all the three scopes. Yeah, that's it.